What is up, guys? It's Poke Ninja, and so today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get a free intro. It's very simple. So all you have to do is go to the link in the description. It will take you to panzoid.com/creations. So here you're going to choose one that looks like your style. Like if you like this style, you can choose this. Hope there's no copyrighted music.
Let me know.
Alright, yep, probably copyrighted music.
Let me know.
Like if this is your style, you can choose this one. If this one is your style, choose this. If this is your style, you can probably, yep, you can. I don't know how much you would want this one. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I'm retarded. Oh, wait, can't say that word. I'm gonna get demonetized. Like, if you want that one, probably gonna get copyrighted by Netflix for that. Then go ahead, but I'm gonna actually be using this one, Chill Vaporwave Intro. So it does give credit to the creator, but so what you want to do to actually view it is to go down to this, and you're going to want to click toggle render view. Now if it turns red, that's good, that means it's working, and you're just going to press play. I'm sorry for how loud this is. Like, this is just a vaporwave intro, right? So what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to go, instead of being just in this, you're going to go to this box over here. Now it'll bring up this menu, and you're going to want to go to group text. There might be a lot of groups here, but you're going to want to look for one that has this right here. Now I know no one is going to use name, so unless you're a mad lad and you made your channel name, so you're going to click on it, and you're going to go to where it says name, and you're going to type in your channel name and press enter, and there you go. Now it has your name instead of name. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this box with a check mark in it, and you're going to want to choose what you render it in. Now I'm going to render in 720p, as that is what I normally record in with 60 FPS, and you can always change how long it is. So, like, I have mine at like 10 seconds. Now, it looks pretty good, but now what you're going to want to do to download it is you're going to go to this button down here, hover over it, and it says download. You're going to click that and choose your mode, extreme quality. I usually put mine in good quality. You can put it whatever you want. And there's also a format. I choose .mkv, and I'll link a link in the description for Cloud Convert. You can convert your MKV to an MP4 with this website. MP4 files are very much more reliable, so I recommend converting it instead of just keeping it in MKV, even though that's what I normally record in. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is click Start Video Render. Now, it'll render your video, and so I am going to cancel the render because I'm not actually going to be doing this. But once it's rendered, you can click the Download Video button, and it will download it to a place of your choice. Like, I download it to my new folder right here, and it'll say video.mkv. Now what I do is I just click and drag over to this. It'll automatically put it in, like, click, and it'll say move, but you're not actually really moving it. It's still here. Now what you see is video.mp4. You can rename it, like I have mine as intro, I have my outro as outro, makes it way more easy. And then you can just double click on it and watch it. Now, what I did was I personally thought that the beginning was a little too long and the end I cut off a little bit also. So now I have, this one was corrupted. Now I have this intro cut one. That's what it is. It goes a little faster. It's around, I think, 10 seconds. Like this end part. I like how it fades, but the video should fade with it, in my personal opinion. So I'm probably still going to cut that off a little bit more. But that's what I do normally. And so, if you guys have enjoyed this video, hit that like button, click subscribe. I don't post often, so might as well hit the bell because you won't get notified ever. Literally, I've posted like 3 videos in like the last like year. If you guys hop on my streams sometimes, I have a Streamlabs link in the description if you want to see your name on the screen and get a shout out. Even though it won't do any good, but you're supporting me. If you like this video, you can go check out some of my other videos. I'm being such a sellout right now. My Patreon will be in the description. Patreon.com/PokeNinja. I forgot how to spell my own name for a second. I'm stupid. I currently have 0 Patreons and $0 per month, you know. So this is just a goal that I put in just because they wanted me. To. So yeah. Also, this is just my, like, most viewed video. It was my most viewed video for a while, and then I posted that fake, how to get free Nintendo Switch things, yeah. Go follow me on Twitch, it'll be in the description. Mixer, I never use. Alright, enough sellout for one video. Bye!